What's up, YouTube? Back in the garage. Matt, you know how your mom tells you to eat your vegetables before you eat your main course? This is the vegetables of this video. Gotta do some grunt work here before we do some fun stuff to the Matrix. So I'm gonna be cutting here for a little bit.
I'm working on cars fun.
It is not fun. That's some junk, man.
Hillbilly.
So I learned my lesson to never buy a vehicle with rust. I looked at the frame and it was good, and I thought this would be a nice easy fix. They filled all of this with that spray foam stuff.
You know what they say?
What do they say?
Yeah, my cousin can do it cheaper.
Dude, this dude didn't even use his cousin. He could do it cheaper than his cousin, who was cheaper. But I will say, it passed inspection like this.
No.
So
No, it didn't.
I don't get it.
Lincoln State.
Oh, now I'm not making Matt help me with this. This is not fun stuff. So now I'm trying to fix this, and the reason that I am fixing this is because I now own 5 cars. 5 vehicles.
Dang.
MR2, RX-8, Matrix, new Celica, and the Colorado. And that is just not okay right now. So to do cool projects like the Celica, I got to get rid of a vehicle. So I'm selling the truck. Someday I'll get another one, but for now, it's the one that has to go.
I mean, hey, the Colorado's a pretty bad butt truck.
It's cool. I mean, I learned how to do an engine rebuild on it, so.
Yeah, I mean, and it's tough looking too for a 4-cylinder. Like, I'd drive it.
Yeah, dude. You want to buy a truck?
No, I have one.
What's up, YouTube? I wanted to just throw this in here real quick as just an update on the truck. I didn't do a great job filming it, but I wanted to at least bring this full circle because it probably won't be on the channel after this. So I was able to get the rocker panels in. I am absolutely not a body guy, so absolutely not perfect, but for the most part, they're in there and all welded up and painted. The color matches very well, so I'm pretty happy about that. This side might have turned out slightly better than the other side, but you can see that it's not perfect at all. But I'm not super worried. It looks good. The rust should be mostly all sealed up and contained. So the truck is, it's high mileage, and really, I mainly just did the rocker panels to get it past inspection. The truck itself is not perfect, so I just wanted to get it done and wasn't gonna dump a ton of hours into making it perfect. So there she is, the truck. It was fun while it lasted, that's for sure. I originally bought that last year. That was right when I was kind of getting back into like working on projects and stuff. The engine was blown, and I bought it as a project and rebuilt the whole engine. I did it all myself. I had a guy at work who builds race engines. He was giving me tips along the way, and redid a bunch of stuff. I could put on the wheels and tires, replaced all the headlights, just got it all cleaned up, and it was a fun project. So the truck did me well. It's what I brought the LS home in, the AR5 transmission home in. but for the most part, I can't tow or anything. It's kind of just a weak little truck that you can throw stuff in the back, and honestly, I can do that with the Matrix. So the pickup bed is nice, but I can't have 5 vehicles. Need to get rid of it. I'm gonna put it up for sale, and that way I can focus on some of these other sick projects that I got going on. Anyways, now on to the next part of the video. What is up, YouTube? What's up, man?
Dude, I timed that perfect.
Yeah, I don't know if I got it on camera yet. Damn it. That's all right. Matt and I are not body guys.
No, I am not.
I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to be a body guy. So, what's next, Matt?
Drill time.
Drill time. So, I have a spoiler for my 2003 Matrix here.
It really spoils the thing.
This spoiler is from eBay, but it is a replica of the M Theory, I think is what it's called. It was one OEM package that Toyota did in like 2006 or 7. I'll throw a picture up on the screen. They only came in blue, but they came with this sick spoiler on them, and you can get them on eBay, which is dope. Professional paint job. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen. With perfect color match paint from Walmart. If you're wondering, the paint that I flashed up on the screen, it is a very good match for the white. So if you need some color match, cheap color match for the old super white, Toyota super white, which I think is what they put on like the Celicas and the
Super faded
Corollas. Yeah, my clear coat's pretty toast, but either way, got the spoiler painted, and we're about to drill some holes and get this thing on the car.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna start drilling and get this thing installed. I think it's gonna look sick.
Guys, tell me what you think I should do next. Give me some ideas. This ain't gonna be a boring summer, so just give me a couple ideas of what you want me to do next.
There she is, man.
All right, we're done. Dang, dude. Is that a Matrix or what is that? You know you have the space shuttle sitting in your driveway? Kate, I think you should clear coat this, John.
Nah. Not worth it.
Nope.
I'd rather just drive a piece of junk. There she is, boy. What do you think?
I like it.
I think it's good. I think it makes it look super JDM looking.
Are you vibing it?
It's a vibe, dude. But it's a Matrix. It's good. I like it. Heck yeah, dude. Doesn't it just make it look like more Japanese?
Yeah, looks like you can drift it. An easy install, I would say.
Yeah, for the most part. A couple self-tappers, and came with double-sided tape, so that was nice. So anyways, I guess that was the video. So yeah, a little bit of a fun video here, just doing the quick spoiler, and look out for more videos with this cool Celica, the MR2 that I'm supercharging, and possibly the RX-8, and not of the Colorado, because I'm hoping to sell it soon, so won't bore you guys with that anymore. Anything else to say to the people, Matt?
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.